Our Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
Hab Sarah. Yalla. Merki?
Zalame Kafu. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
За тебя еды сегодня не будет!
I'm General Roman Barkov, your superior and commander of...
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate out men and women. They will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Will Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For fighting back.
Men on the work line! Women to the trucks!
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Urzikztan who refuse to learn the lessons that keep them safe and bring them peace
I'm through.
and prosperity.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
А ну стой!
Karim? دير بالك أخالك اكتي. You're resourceful. Good. Keep your weapon hidden. Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon. Check civilian cars. I'll keep watch on the guards.
These insurgents continue to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called...
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right.
Тогда води его от дома к дому. Мы за неделю...
Go around the truck. Right side.
Барков просил взять кого-нибудь. Нафига? Рабочая
You get two. I'll take the
Pop.
rest. Clear. Stay low. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно. Могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. Follow me. I'll lead.
We defy General Barkov. Will be made an example of.
This is a goddamn war crime.
Please. Punishment for the stolen gun. Barkov blames us for stealing it.
What can we do?
Understand why we
Accomplish our mission and put an end to Barkov's cruelty forever. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Send explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way, take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country. There can be no order and no peace until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated. I am a fair judge and a man of swift justice. There is no judge or jury. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate these agents from our
2 down.
and create a safe place to work and prosper under my foot. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Urzikztan. These
I'm at the
freedom
target.
fighters and their
You know what to do.
collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow. Today, they will be punished. Those who believe that
Charge
my
set.
forces
This'll make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan.
and secret
Now get to the other helicopter.
have made a grave miscalculation. I will never, ever be pushed out of this land by an army of thieves and terrorists. We will root out these interventionists and hold this territory forever. There will be no victory for our enemies, only death. Russia is here to defend your life, your liberty, your independence. My reserves of manpower are inexhaustible. I will not be defeated by citizen soldiers. Urzikztan is bleeding. Her reserves of manpower are dying out. These terrorist criminals are destroying this land. And today, we can make an example of those who refuse to follow my orders. These enemies are your friends. These conspirators among us are carrying out unspeakable acts against our people. With the blessing and support of the United States and their partners in the UK.
Stop. There's a guard. Top of the stairs, left side.
You're right on the ground. We have to get into them.
Now, move up.
Anyone who collaborates with these groups will
Charge
be
is set.
sentenced to death.
Regroup on my position.
Today, the people of Urzikztan are far better off under my command. This country shares in its riches, but it must earn its privilege through loyalty and ability.
We're clear. It's time.
Together, we will build industry and
No.
harvest raw materials.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking good. Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops from the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the trucks are at the fence. We turn out them. Under the truck. More are coming. Follow close. A parting gift for when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attacks before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnels under Tarek's.
Shit! Oh, get back! I'm going to blow it! Right, Alex, go right! Window!
Potter, what the hell is this?
More of Barkov's war crimes. Alex, get down.
Don't move.
Они могут быть где угодно.
Keep your head still. Now, move up.
Уволь.
Now, move up. That was risky.
We're in a hurry.
I like your style. Very efficient. To the tunnels, quickly. More may be coming. Look! Reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
He lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.
You are in my house now, Alex. I set up on the edge of Barkov's base. Keep those fucking dogs in check. Friends close. Enemies closer. I told you we have our ways. No grenades, so we improvise.
Not bad.
Think we fight this war with sticks and stones?
Mission. So please watch or subscribe to my channel. Thank you.